Home Remedies presents how to convert gray hair to black naturally using two simple ingredients. Stress and urban lifestyle have increased the occurrences of premature gray hair. When the body stops producing the pigment melanin responsible for the dark color of hair, it turns gray. While the appearance of gray hair in mid-40s is only natural, in 20s and 30s it is a nightmare. Today I have brought an easy remedy for you to get rid of gray hair. Ingredients: rosemary leaves ½ cup, sage leaves ½ cup, water 1 liter. Procedure: take half a cup of rosemary and half a cup of sage and boil in water for 30 minutes. Allow to cool for 2 to 3 hours, then apply to your hair and scalp. Leave on until it dries, then shampoo off with a natural shampoo. You can save it in a spray bottle and use it till finish and make a new batch. Repeat every week and eventually all gray, silver hairs will be gone. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.